Hey everyone. Welcome to this video on how to start web development. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some tips and resources on how to get started with web development. Choose your area of focus. There are three main areas of web development: front-end development, back-end development, and full-stack development. Front-end developers work on the parts of a website that users see and interact with. Back-end developers work on the server side of a website, and full-stack developers work on both the front-end and back-end of a website. Choose the area you want to focus on and learn the necessary skills. Learn the basics. Start by learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the foundation of every website and is used to create the structure and content of web pages. CSS is used to style web pages and make them look visually appealing. JavaScript is used to add interactivity and functionality to web pages. Find online learning resources. There are many online learning resources available for web development, such as online courses, video tutorials, and blogs. Some popular online learning platforms for web development include Udemy, Codecademy, and Coursera. Familiarize yourself with web development tools. There are many tools and frameworks available that can help you streamline your web development workflow. Some popular tools and frameworks for web development include Visual Studio Code, Git, React, and Node.js. Start building your first web project. The best way to learn web development is by doing. Start by building a simple website or web application using the skills and tools you have learned so far. Keep learning and improving. Web development is a constantly evolving field, and there is always something new to learn. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in web development, and continue to improve your skills through practice and ongoing learning. Thanks for watching this video on how to start web development. I hope you found these tips and resources helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on web development and other topics.